This is a home inspection overview of unit 1620. I'm going to start here in the attic and point out a couple of things. Here, we can see the sheathing. We don't have any stains under the underlayment, meaning that there's no leaks from the roof, and I did not find any broken tiles on the roof when I flew the drone. So here is the framing in good shape. Insulation, it's blown insulation all throughout, and I measured the thickness in a couple locations. It's about 10 inches. Typically 8 to 10 will give you a radiance of about 30 to 35. So here is the unit of one of the units of the air handler. The condensing units are downstairs, but you can see that it's leaking and rusted in some locations. Also has the old refrigerant R22, and the same thing on this one here. You could say that it's leaking, or that it leaked at one time, so it's a little bit of rust. Not as bad as the other one, but this is pretty much up in the attic. I'll continue with the interior, and I'll finish up the video outside. We're gonna start here in the master. I checked all the sinks. It's missing the mechanical stopper here, the mechanical stopper down there as well. I checked to make sure there's no leaks and that the valves are not rusted. These are pull valve. You pull and push to shut them off and on. But the flooring is peel and stick. Some of the tiles are basically coming off. I pulled them away so you can see underneath, no moisture damage, but they're coming off, and this one is damaged in this area. More over here. This is the jet or jacuzzi, and we're gonna turn it on. The jets do work, not a problem there. A little bit of separation here underneath, might need some caulking. This is the panel to get to the unit, but the panel it's sealed by the paint. I tried to open it, but I couldn't open it. So here is the glass in the master. Right here, this is a fixed part of the fixed window and dual pane, and they broke the back glass. So basically, you cannot repair this. It's basically a replacement. So I'll continue with the inspection, and then I go downstairs, and then we finish up outside. I check to make sure that we have power here and there, and the water is okay. I do recommend a pan underneath here, a drip pan when the washing machine is installed, to make sure that that it doesn't drain. Okay, so in this bathroom, again, the same thing, common denominator. We need stoppers, and the flooring is also coming off, and some of the tiles are damaged. I checked all the bedrooms here, and I checked up here. This ceiling fan wobbles a little bit, so it would need to have basically it could be adjusted. The blades could be adjusted, or sometimes the fan just replaced. No problem on these. These are working pretty well. Coming down the steps, I can see here that the light does not work. And basically, to repair that, this panel, this comes off. There's a spring behind it, and you replace the light bulb. I checked everything around here. The main thing here in the kitchen would be that the microwave needs to be fastened. It's kind of loose, as you can see. There's a screw up here, and the brackets over here is not working too well. They need to lower it a little bit so it engages. The dishwasher, I started a cycle, but it's a new dishwasher, and the water still did not drain. Most likely is because they're supposed to tap the garbage disposal has a plug. They're supposed to take out the plug. It doesn't seem like they did. Coming into this bathroom here on the first floor, The flooring is okay, but again, mechanical stopper missing here, mechanical stopper missing here. And the toilet, sometimes when you flush it, it takes a while for the water to go down. And it did that a couple times, so this toilet might need to be replaced. If it was an underground problem, then all the drains would be backing up, but this one is the only one with a problem. So it might be a local problem with the toilet. Okay, continuing here, we're going to the garage, and nothing really here to report. The windows just need adjustment and lubrication. Here in the garage door opener does make noise when you open it up. Operated, it needs some adjustments, as you can hear, and also the bottom seal here will need to be replaced because it is damaged. The softener is dry and it doesn't have any salt, so that will need to be also looked into. Here, 50 gallons hot water heater. It is 2006. Recommend a drip pan, not that a drip pan is going to hold 50 gallons, but if it start leaking, it will not damage the drywall on the pedestal. There's some signs of termites. There's also signs of treatment. You can see here, there's a termite tube. There's more termite tubes on the exterior of the house, but it looks like they trenched the perimeter to kill the termites. Like they say, here in Arizona, half of the houses have termites, and the other half will have termites. We just need to treat them. Here is the termite tube, and here it looks like they already trenched the perimeter and applied the poison. This is the only screen that we have. All the other ones were taken out. This is damaged screen. You can see here that the rust coming from the drip pan also comes down this way. It's an indication that the drip pan is basically oxidized, like we showed up in the attic. The paint is fading all throughout, so I recommend painting. I had to check with the HOA. Most of the time, if you paint it with the same color, it should be okay. Continue talking about termites. If it was on the East Coast or the West, where it's really humid, you probably have to put a tarp around the house and smoke the termites out. Here in Arizona, we just trench the perimeter, we poison it, they bring the dead ones to the queen, and the queen dies. And the other termites as well. So here, this is a vacuum breaker. This is for the irrigation system, so it does not go back into the main system of the house. It is frozen or stuck in place here. You cannot move it. I put this was on the off position like this. I put it on run, manual, and on run. I did not see any broken lines, but I did not see any water coming out of the drippers either. It could be that this vacuum breaker is not allowing it to go. Another typical thing here in Arizona, the breakers are on the exterior, and I took out that panel, looked inside, made sure that there's nothing, no burnt wires or double wires, exposed wires, and all that in here is nice and clean, no problem. These are labeled, and that's how it's supposed to be. Some of these are missing the cover, weather cover. Again, there's more signs of termites here, termite tubes, but you can see that they also trench the perimeter to treat the termites. So coming around, again, this are drill holes that they put in on the concrete to add more poison to termite. And again, the paint on this side right here is kind of faded, so it's faded over here. On the perimeter fence, a couple of these are loose. I put them on the report. And this tree right here, I recommend for it to be basically removed or trimmed because it's pretty much dying, and to clean up the debris. The AC units have a cage, but the cage is removed in case you need to do some maintenance, so that they're not really attached right now. This unit makes a lot of noise. This unit is for the second floor. This is for the first floor, and they are the original units. The brand is Goodman. They're not the best, not the worst, so somewhere in the middle, but they do have the old refrigerant. So my recommendation is to replace the condensing units, and you have to replace the air handler. All right, if you have any questions, please give me a call, and I'll send the reports later on today.